Hey everyone, I'm officially back with another nail tutorial. Today I decided to do some water marbling and I used all metallic colors. All these colors I used can be purchased at your local dollar store or Walmart. Keep watching and I'll show you how to get this design. First, apply your base coat. This is just the base coat that I like to use, but you can choose any base coat of your choice. And of course, I applied one coat. Next, I chose a metallic chrome by LA Colors. For this, I applied 2 coats. I love this color, so I highly recommend it if you can find it. Next, I used a liquid latex to line my fingers. This makes the cleanup process so much easier. I got this one off of Amazon. It was really inexpensive. It's about $10, but I highly recommend it if you do any sort of designs like this. And I know someone probably will ask me, I prefer this over tape just because it's easier to remove. But of course, you can still use tape. These are the colors that I used for the actual design. Of course, you can use any colors that you want, but I'll put the names of these in the description box below. Next, you want a cup of room temperature water, and you're going to drop your nail polish into the water. You'll see me kind of overlapping the polish. That's just to get it to disperse evenly. And as you can see, just continue to layer your colors. Once you're happy with your design, you're going to take a toothpick or anything sharp. You could even use a needle if you wanted to make your actual design in the water. I felt like mine needed a little bit more color, so I added a couple more drops. Now, a lot of people like to dip one or additional nails at a time. I choose to do one just because I feel like I can kind of control the design better. So you'll see me just dipping one nail. After your nail is in the water, you're going to slightly blow on the water to kind of dry the polish, and then take a Q-tip to clean off the surface. As soon as the surface is clean, it's safe to remove your finger. As you can see, I'm just using some tweezers to get rid of that liquid latex. One mistake I did make is I did not put the liquid latex farther down on my finger, which I regret because the cleanup was not fun. But just learn from my mistake, please. Next, I just used a brush to get rid of any of the excess polish. I also used a Q-tip that you'll see in here as well. Both of them is fine. Sometimes I prefer the Q-tip over the brush, but it's just your preference. And now you're going to apply your favorite top coat. This is just my favorite at the moment. I switch around a lot, but I really like this one. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and I hope you give it a try. I'm super happy to be back on YouTube. There is many more videos to come. So I hope you guys will subscribe. Please like the video because it helps out the channel so much. And make sure you stick around and watch some more videos. Thank you all so much and I will see you in the next one.